Hello everyone, AJ here, and today we are reviewing a workout tracker called Alpha Progression, which is available for both iOS and Android. For the purposes of this review, we will be looking at the Pro version of the application. Please note that Alpha Progression did approach me to do a review on their product. However, the views and opinions expressed in this video are entirely my own. Let's get into it. At first glance, this application offers a lot of the same features as many other popular workout apps on the market today. You are able to log your body measurements and track progress. You are able to create and store your custom workouts. You can view past workout history and exercise data. Many different charts are available documenting your journey. You can log your workouts live while making adjustments on the fly. Your data also backs up and syncs to the cloud. This app has a lot of basic features that are required for any good workout logger. The following 5 features, however, are what caught my eye, and I feel that these are what makes Alpha Progression unique and worth checking out. This feature allows for the lifter to set multiple gym profiles, all with specific equipment availabilities. This comes in handy for those who split their training routines between home and the commercial gym. In turn, depending on how you set up these gym profiles, only exercises with available equipment will be shown. This also comes in handy when creating automated AI-generated workouts and routines. For this ensures that you will not be assigned exercises for which you do not have the proper equipment for. You can also set certain exercises to always enable or always disable if you wish to override this feature for a specific lift. This app has an extensive exercise library of 458 exercises, complete with high-definition demonstration videos, written instructions on how to perform the exercise history, as well as its effectiveness in targeting the desired muscle group. In addition, similar exercise suggestions are provided below, and you can also set filters in order to display only exercises you wish to see. If a specific exercise you wish to perform is not available within the exercise database, you can always create your own custom lift and add it to this database. Exercises are separated in one of 3 categories: small, medium, and large exercises. You can in turn set different rest timers depending on the exercise category. For example, a small exercise such as a bicep curl may not require as much rest as a large exercise such as a barbell squat. You can now differentiate and automate your rest timers between these categories. You can set these desired rest timers by tapping on the 3rd tab below within the app, then tapping Settings at the top right corner of your screen, then Rest Timers. This feature can be turned off and a manual approach can be taken as well. This app has a built-in weight progression calculator. You can set it by equipment type or by individual exercise itself. You can set multiple weight interval jumps depending on the weight range you are lifting. This level of automation takes the guesswork away from the lifter so that they can focus on the work itself and just let the app update your workout progression week by week. The ability to have the app's built-in algorithm generate custom workout routines tailored just for you has to be one of the best features of this application. By entering your experience, gender, gym profile, how often you wish to train per week, how long you wish your sessions to take, any focused muscle groups, or any groups you wish to neglect, your planned duration in weeks, then tap Create Plan and the app will take care of the rest. If you are new to the gym, or just running out of ideas on how to keep those workouts fresh and exciting, then this feature may be a game changer for you. It would be nice to be able to differentiate between working and warm-up sets in some way. At the moment, all sets are shown as standard working sets. This could be remedied by not logging your warm-ups to begin with, or by adding them into your exercise notes. However, some users prefer to have all of their work, including their warm-up sets, available within the app. Most applications on the market provide you with your 1RM metric for all lifts you perform, while Alpha Progression provides you with your 10RM, or 10 rep max as it stands for. I personally prefer to know my 1RM rather than my 10RM, but this is a matter of preference, and there are calculators on the market designed to figure this out as well. There is currently no Apple Watch version of the application. However, this is in production with no clear ETA available at this time. In conclusion, this is a solid application and definitely worth a look. If you are new to the gym, require additional guidance on how to perform exercises, and need AI-generated workout assistance, then this application is for you. It is like having a personal trainer in your pocket telling you what workouts to perform, how to perform them, how you should progress from workout to workout, what rest to take, and more. You are also provided with feedback on how you are improving by reviewing various charts and graphs within the application. If you are a seasoned lifter, this app may be for you as well. With AI-generated workouts, you are able to get some fresh insights and new ideas into your training. The app is simple to use, has a clean UI, and you can automate your experience and training as much as you like, or dial things back and manually take control of your destiny. The choice is yours. The Pro version of the application goes for $12.99 Canadian per month or $77.99 Canadian per year, and a 14-day free trial is available for both options. There is also a free version available with less features. However, for some, it may be enough to get the job done.